Welcome to our sixth video on word roots illustrated. The theme for this video is the Latin root plac, which means peace, calm or soothe, and it is very interesting to know how the various words covered on the tree branches relate to this meaning. Let's start. Our first word based on this root is placid. It is used as an adjective for someone who is not easily upset or excited. A placid, contented man remains calm and is not perturbed very easily, though it can also be used in other contexts to mean calm and peaceful, with little movement or activity. For example, the placid waters of the lake and its scenic beauty attract many tourists to this region. Next, we have the word placate, which is used as a verb for an attempt you try to make someone less angry or hostile. Basically, you are trying for the other person to get pacified or to calm down. For example, he attempted to placate his angry girlfriend by offering her a bouquet of flowers. The verb can also be used in the form placating. In the given scene, Hobbes is making an attempt at placating Kevin. A related word is implacable. Since im is a prefix meaning not, implacable refers to something or someone who cannot be calmed down. The exact dictionary meaning of this word would be unable to be appeased or placated. In a similar meaning, it can be used in a phrase such as an implacable typhoon, which means unable to be stopped or relentless. For example, in the movie Taken, Liam Neeson plays the role of a father whose daughter has been abducted. Unrelenting in the search of his daughter, he turns out to be an implacable enemy to the offenders. Implacability is a related noun. Next word is complacent. When you are too pleased or overly satisfied with your current state, you would be called complacent. Used as an adjective, the exact meaning of this word is showing smug or uncritical satisfaction with oneself or one's achievements. An example sentence would be, companies want employees who are always active and on their toes, as against those who are complacent. And the related noun is complacency, which is a feeling of being satisfied with the way things are and not wanting to make them better. Next word is also complacent, albeit with a different spelling. In fact, the previous word and this one have entirely different meanings, but are often confused and misused. Well, both the root words plac and place are from the Latin placere, meaning to please. Both mean the same thing, but they are spelled differently because place shows the French influence on the Latin word. The word complacent used as an adjective for someone who is willing to please others or to accept what they do or say without any protest. For example, a complacent waiter. An example of usage would be, the waiter perceived the customers to be big tippers, so he was very complacent and went out of his way to serve them. And the last one, placebo, is a very interesting term which literally means as I shall please. The term is used for a medicine or a procedure prescribed for the psychological benefit to the patient rather than for any physiological effect. For example, in the field of medicine, the placebo effect is important for the understanding of which medicines work, as sometimes the patients get comforted by the very fact that they are taking pills and actually recover, even though the doctor might have prescribed a placebo treatment or pills which are inert and have no therapeutic value. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.